In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tax on Stripe. Start by logging in to dashboard.stripe.com using your preferred browser. And once you're on your main dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Scroll down to the Billing section and select Tax and Rates. This is where you can manage how taxes are calculated and automatically applied to your products or services. Next, click Get Started under Stripe Tax. Stripe will guide you through a quick setup process where you'll confirm your business location, registration details, and where you need to collect tax. You'll be asked to select the countries or regions where your business is registered for tax collection. If you're unsure, you can always add or remove regions later. Once you've selected them, click Save and Continue. After setup, you'll be taken to the Tax Settings page. Here, make sure the option to automatically calculate tax on invoices and checkout sessions is turned on. This feature lets Stripe calculate and collect the right amount of tax automatically based on your customer's location and the local tax laws. Now, go to your Products section from the main menu. Choose a product or service you want to apply tax to or create a new one. In the product details, scroll down to the pricing area and make sure automatic tax is enabled. You can choose whether your prices include tax or if the tax should be added on top. Once everything is set up, test a sample payment or invoice in test mode to confirm that tax is being added correctly. That's it. You've successfully added tax on Stripe. From now on, Stripe will automatically handle tax calculations for your transactions, saving you time and keeping your business compliant with local tax rules. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.